tuned in to Kusile Breakfast Show. Thank you for staying with us. We did mention Nosipho Xaba from Eswatini Mobile will be joining us to talk to us about two campaigns that they are running as Eswatini Mobile, the blanket distribution and the iPhone 16 Pro Max giveaway this Friday. Quite exciting for Eswatini Mobile customers. But let's just get into the blanket distribution first. She joins us now. Nosipho, very good morning. Thank you for joining us. Really exciting for your customers, particularly this Friday. I did see on social media the excitement sabachagi on Friday, but I mean it's quite crucial ukuthi vele bamfu but for tingubo sengena busika sekuyabanza. Tell us more about this campaign that you're running.
Okay, so recently we started a campaign yeku distributor tingubo across the country, 4 regions. Of course, I know ukuthi why Eswatini Mobile are busy kangaka. Let's pay your bill, grab the red trolley, iPhone, free GB, 1 GB. Basically, what Eswatini Mobile is saying is that eMaswati, they are at the center of this network. Kusukela sicala, I think saba clear ukuthi le network yeMaswati. So kumcoka ukuthi nathi nasifika ezingeni lapho khona ngathi imvoti sihambela kahle siwakhumbule eMaswati sibuyele kiwo, and this is just one way ngale blanket distribution ukuthi kuMaswati siyanibona and siya understand ukuthi kuletinye tindzawo eveni asifani, kukhona la sihamba khambe khona singakhoni kwenda lokwa naloka. So inkampani yasethi ke nabu busika asibone ukuthi eMaswati siwabambisa njani. I think it also kakhulu ingwenyama isikhumbutile isicubulo semnyaka ukuthi kwenda umehluko lokho ke kucala ku individual level kuye tinkampanini so nathi sithi asende umehluko eveni singandlondlobali nje si network sisho ngemlomo ukuthi network eMaswati asibonakale sibuyisela esiveni.
Yeah, so senifinyelele nje esiveni lesinganani bamhla banganani nokuthi nje vele this campaign idacuba isikhathi esinganani for the entire winter season ni plan ukuthi vele nidawenda kanjani?
Okay, so how we planned it is that we want to be done with distributing letingubo before winter iphele. So kahlahle besifuna kenda ekuqaleni kwayo le winter, which is what we did. So far since distributed over 400 blankets. Sisaya eshiselweni kushoda lishiselo sifikile kuboma Hlangatsha, Bolibulini, Empolonjeni. We've moved across the country, and naku lezama kwenda ukuthi noma ngabe ukhashane kanganani, noma ngabe uditshela ukuthi sigodi sakini sele khashana nelidolobha siyafika singeSwatini Mobile nale network yona utayitfola ecingweni lakho ukhone kushaya ngaye eSwatini Mobile.
Okay, so ingabe mhlambe bantu otindzawo lentivakashilako nidekhetha kanjani ngibekise nje there's a community mhlambe kunendvuna yangale elibulini ngiyabekisa mhlambe ifuna kucelela child headed homestead ngiyabekisa ifuna kucelela abagogwana bomkhulu tingubo bayakhona yini bantu kun approacha for this drive noma kudikhethwa ngini letindzawo as Eswatini Mobile?
Okay, njengoba sisho ukuthi sive sema partners eSwatini Mobile kakhulu. So kule mimango lesihamba kiyo msakha ema relationships. Sine team leyaye ibambisane nemavenda ibambisane nabo bobuchopho timvuna imiphakathi. So some of the work that we do it via mitinkundla, via imiphakathi, via community leaders. So ngoba ngibo kakhulu labatiko ukuthi ngibani lodzingile singatothi ngimbona ngathi asifuna isimo lesikanjalo ngoba lo munye umuntu ungatitshela ukuthi kunjalo kanza kusiko, but bambendzawo bayaye bathi kangcono. So sibambisene nemiphakathi, communities, leaders, masonvo tikolwa. Yes
ngangena nje kule iPhone kumbe nani savakashela nje leto tindzawo nje Nosipho vele lesimo sikanjani letingubo tidingo lesinganani nje kule service eMaswati?
Hey, uyabona eMaswati ayathusana ngendlela la yalijabulela ngakhona lisito. Uyababona ukuthi letinhlitiyo tabo siyatitsinza. Uyabona usita umumvu ngemvo la idzinga embamba. I promise you the reception has been overwhelming. It has been heartwarming, and siyabonga ukuthi nayo Maswati ayatshengisa lokuthi siya appreciate ku Eswatini Mobile. So yes, the need is there, and of course I would encourage individuals, companies to continue doing similar things because the gaps are there. I think sonke siyabona kufanele lokuthi sibambisane simaSwati siphakamisane ungahambi nje wetfana sikubone sowumetulu wetfa kephana ngemuva sikhebe sikhulu.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
So yeah, moving on to exciting news, shifting away from sad news. This Friday is the day, finally, my customers in. I'm sure they've been waiting for this day. First giveaway of the 16 iPhone Pro Max.
Yes.
So yeah, tell us more about this drive. Why the 16 Pro Max?
Now, coming to the exciting news. So me, nginglo mumvulo thanza khuluma ngetinto very practical. So I brought the phone for babukele makhaya so that they can see ukuthi nangithi ngiyawinisa this Friday ngikhuluma ngani. So this is a iPhone 16 Pro Max sealed. So we'll be giving away the first one this Friday. So kulula. I think sesikhulumile nema customer through SMS, through print media, social media, siwafundzisa ngema terms and conditions. Ayole iPhone 16 Pro Max giveaway. Kakhulu kufanele umcetse 10 GB. So solo siyawa update ke eMaswati ukuthi ke na so consume ngakho ema GB sikutshele ukuthi chubeka uthenge uconsume. So nako lokumcoka. Lokunye lokumcoka ukuthi le SIM card yakho ibike wena. So it must be fully registered under your name. If not, uyakhona kuya EC, any of our ECs, sikhone kukwendela a change of ownership. Yes, so it's really that simple. And I think we are in a data-centric world. So sonke i-data siyayisebenzisa. And of course, now ufuna kukhula, you need to access data, you need to research, you need to know what's happening in the global space. And what better way than to use Eswatini mobile data? Because of course, we are the affordable network.
Okay.
So we encourage Maswati to say, please, this is the last day. So I don't know what you will do. Upgrade.
Now you tell
Today is the 30th. Today, midnight today, it's
so you can
down.
still buy it now.
Yes.
In the morning and use
upgrade
the data all
fridge
day.
yakho, upgrade umshini wakho yokuwasha, or upgrade luwashi lakho, upgrade licingo lakho, all of those things. Just buy the data and use it so that you can be in the run of winning this brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Okay, so how many are you giving away, and when is the draw?
Okay, so we are giving away 6 iPhones in total for the duration of the promotion. So the promotion is 1st of April. It'll run until the end of June. So now it's the first month. We're giving away 1. Okay. And then in May, end of May, we're giving away another one, the second one. And then for the grand draw, we'll be giving away 4 iPhone 16 Pro Max. So 1 in each region. So that in total means we're giving away 16 of this beautiful iPhone 16 Pro Max. I so want them to see this phone, and even the color, it's so luxurious. So Utoba famous again.
Okay.
So truly, and like I always emphasize, these initiatives are not because Sema Masters of giving away. We really want eMaswati to see us as their partners, as their true partners. Ingapani yabo, that we can never overemphasize. You are shareholders, and go responsibility githi singeSwatini mobile ukuthi sibuyisele kini. So nanga ema iPhone asi enjoyeni na network le affordable the Siyabangena network.
All right. So Nyenda Nini short what time? Yeah.
So the draw is this Friday, 12 p.m. on our Facebook page. We are going to be live everything is going to be clear, transparent, good. We also have independent auditors that are making sure we are ethical in terms of.
So it's an electronical draw.
Yes, it's an electronic draw, and so njengoba ngi-emphasize ukuthi kude buhwici kude nje ukuthi umzala sowushayile bani wathi yenda sure igama lami ukuthi nango. There are independent auditors that are going to be making sure ukuthi we follow the right procedures when doing this draw.
Yes, Dabaskatsile Friday.
Yes.
12 p.m. So what happens after the draw? Ni Dabasani amshayela loyo winile ukuthi bete batolanza iPhone yabo. Batolanza same day if they are around. Babane.
I am hoping that everyone that qualifies will be next to their phones, because indeed we will call loyal stamp drawer abe winner simtshele ukuthi so wehlelo tindzaba letimnanzi kakhulu from Eswatini Mobile. Also I would like to emphasize to my customer Eswatini Mobile ukuthi ke please do remember ukuthi nangabe le data yakho utitshela ukuthi umrichile 10 GB, but through Wi-Fi or hotspotting through another number, you will not be part of the pool. It has to be your primary number that has consumed the 10 GB, not through Wi-Fi. So I saw some of the questions on our Facebook page. Babuta gutsige kaya gune Wi-Fi, do I qualify? No, it has to be your primary number that.
All right, so they have only a few hours left to deplete those data. All
Few
right.
hours, but enough.
All right, well, there you have it. Eswatini Mobile customers go to Neskatlesnana, so go to silent 10 GB to stand a chance to win this iPhone